Imagine you are just drifting off to sleep, feeling perfectly relaxed, when suddenly you are jolted awake by the sound of a thunderous explosion or a loud crash right inside your head. You might even see a flash of light. It is incredibly startling and often quite frightening, making you wonder what on earth just happened. Well, you are not alone, and there is a scientific explanation for this bizarre phenomenon. The good news is that exploding head syndrome, or EHS, despite its dramatic name, is generally considered harmless. It is a parasomnia, which means it is a sleep disorder involving undesirable physical events or experiences that happen during sleep or while falling asleep. While it can cause temporary distress and anxiety, it does not pose any serious threat to your physical health or brain function, nor does it indicate a serious underlying medical condition. The primary reason EHS is not dangerous lies in its mechanism. It is believed to occur when your brain does not properly shut down for sleep. Normally, when you fall asleep, your brain gradually deactivates its auditory and visual neurons. In individuals with exploding head syndrome, there is a delay or a hiccup in this process, causing a burst of neural activity in the auditory cortex. This burst is interpreted by your brain as a sudden, loud noise, even though no external sound actually happened. It is essentially a misfiring of brain signals during the transition between wakefulness and sleep, a kind of internal neurological glitch. If you experience exploding head syndrome, one of the best things you can do is learn to recognize it for what it is. Understanding that it is a benign sleep phenomenon can greatly reduce the anxiety and fear it causes. Keeping a regular sleep schedule, practicing good sleep hygiene like avoiding caffeine before bed, and managing stress can often help reduce the frequency of episodes. If the episodes are very disruptive or frequent, talking to a doctor or a sleep specialist can provide further reassurance and guidance, though specific treatments are rarely necessary. Interestingly, this condition often surfaces during periods of increased stress or fatigue, highlighting the delicate balance of our sleep architecture. It is more common than you might think, affecting an estimated 1 in 10 people at some point in their lives, though many never report it. Sometimes, people even report visual flashes or muscle jerks accompanying the sound, further emphasizing the brain's internal miscommunication during these sleep transitions. It is not a sign of mental illness or a stroke, but rather a temporary, quirky manifestation of your brain struggling to power down. Ultimately, recognizing exploding head syndrome as a non-threatening, albeit startling, neurological event can empower you to react with calm rather than panic. This knowledge transforms a frightening experience into something understandable, allowing you to quickly resettle into sleep without lingering fear. By focusing on healthy sleep habits and reducing stress, you can significantly lessen its impact, knowing that your brain is just playing a brief, loud trick on you as you drift off to dreamland.